In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to set up custom word filters in the Threads app to have better control over what is said in replies to your posts. Let's get started. First, open the Threads app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to your profile. Now it's time to create your custom word filter. To do this, tap on the menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu options that appear, select Privacy. Within the privacy settings, find and select Hidden Words. This is where you'll enable filtering for replies. Now, you can manage your custom word filters. Look for the option that says Manage Custom Words and Phrases and tap on it. In the text box at the top of the screen, you can start adding words, phrases, or even emojis that you want to hide from replies to your posts. If you have multiple words or phrases to add, simply separate them with commas. After typing in the word "es" you want to filter, tap the Add button. Your custom word filter is now set up. You can always revisit this section to add or remove words from your custom filter list. It's a flexible way to adapt to your preferences. Once you've configured your custom word filter, any replies to your Threads posts that contain the specified words or phrases will be hidden automatically, and that's it. You've successfully set up a custom word filter to manage and hide replies on the Threads app. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by clicking the thumbs up button below and subscribing to our channel.